Okay, so it's in the evening and we're out of the trade by stop loss. It's not looking good. Look at this shit right here, man.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting cooked.
Look at this. Look at that balance. Like it's not going good. Yeah, so clearly you are stopped this time. Everything was in plan, but no, the market does its thing. But now the funny bit is that when you go to gold versus the dollar, you can see right here how I had planned it out. Draw this consolidation once this level right here is reached, then no, it was once this level right here is broken, the price will retrace back and then have a pushback downwards in a bearish movement. So yeah, so the funny thing is when you look at gold, it's somehow going the way I had predicted it to be. Okay, so the price was just to cross this line right here, close below it, have a retracement, and then push downwards, and that's what it seems to be doing. But this is what has happened throughout these losses that I've had this week. The price just seems to be doing exactly what I want, and then once it reaches the middle of my profit zone, it just pushes back up. So I don't know what I need to be doing, because for example this GBP USD, it was finally going to plan, and this was actually my strategy, leaving the gold bit we're using a change of structure strategy. This was literally my breakout strategy, and this is what it did to me. I know a few losses here and there can't hurt, it's part of the process, but I really don't know if how to look at this now, because what if this consolidation zone right here was just what can I say, a support zone from earlier on. That, hold on, let me check. I can go to the 4-hour time frame. Because it's right around here. Yep, but you can see it's a support zone from way back, right around there, which acted as a resistance zone before, not even a support zone. You can see right here, resistance, sort of broke out, but eventually came back down, resistance too, and right here it acted as a support zone. So I don't get it. So maybe the price wants to push back up. I don't know really. Or I don't know in what sort of range should I be looking at this with. Or yeah, because these losses are way too much, man. 3 in a row, you can't have that. Or it should be like this, since all of this was in an uptrend. I think it will continue pushing up, but then in order for it to do that, we have to look out for it to cross this latest higher high right here. If it crosses that, then for sure know that it will be continuing with the upward trend. Not blue, it's green, but it's not. It keeps on consolidating. Now it wanted to, change structure, but consolidating again. It's just hectic, man. I don't like it. I honestly don't like it at all. So what the fuck? Like, it's clear. This year was a change of structure. Price closed below it, had a consolidation. You can say sort of a retracement in order to form a downward movement, sort of a lower high. Then it would have continued moving downwards, but wow, this level right here just acted as a huge support zone and rejected my trade hitting the stop loss. It's not good, but it's okay. We just keep on backtesting this strategy until we know it works. I'm also looking at the another strategy called the trend line breakout. I know it's too early to change this strategy. No, I will not change it, but it's just because the trend line breakout is also within the same level as the breakout strategies, since they are all breakout strategies. Yeah, I don't know if that makes sense to you, but yeah, they are all breakout strategies, but one follows a trend line and others, this one breaks out of a consolidation zone, and one changes the this is called one changes the structure of the price, and the other one just continues following the trend. So yeah, I'll also be looking into that because I know mastering both of them will probably be a lot easier, since you can know it will be easier to know where there is false breakouts like these ones, which keep on grasping me. Ugh, can't stand these losses, but it's okay. We'll hope for a better tomorrow. I'll just continue backtesting it because I know it works. So yeah, I'll just keep backtesting it. If it works, then fine. If it's not, we're also learning new things, we're also learning new strategies, and we hope for the best of it. It's all a learning process. That's why you need to start from the bottom so that you can get the experience. Yeah, let's do this. So guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's trade. Where I'll try to find a new trade that will actually be profitable, and I'll let you guys know about it and how it goes. As for now, wins for later. Okay, peace though.